In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your email and password combination is incorrect message on Spotify. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you might be getting a message whenever you're trying to log into Spotify saying this email and password combination is incorrect. It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to listen to music and you also might just be a Spotify premium user. So this is what you want to do. So obviously, whenever you open up Spotify, it's going to look something like this, and you just want to, go to log in. You can log in whichever way you want, but we're going to continue with email. And then let's say you type in whatever password it is, and then you just press log in right there. And as you can see, it says this email and password combination is incorrect. So from here, all you want to do is press login without password, which is right under login. So once you press that, it's going to say check your email. We've sent an email. So all you want to do from here is open up your email, and it's going to be right there. It's going to send you a message saying welcome back to Spotify. To complete your login, select the button below on your mobile device, and this link is valid for 4 hours. So if you do it after 4 hours, you're going to have to regenerate another link and then use the one that is sent on a new email. So it also says this link also confirms the email address associated with your account. So then all you got to do is press that link, and then you're going to be able to change your password, and then anytime you log in, you can just use the new password that you've just created. But if you found that video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.